like scared the living daylights out. Right. So I have that order on board. That was a heavy box. I had to go back in there a second time. Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel, Gig Money Madness. My name's B. I'm a full-time gig worker. I multi-app with Doordash, Grubhub, UberEats, Walmart Spark, and sometimes throw in a little bit of Instacart. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on those notifications so you know when my next video comes out. I have all the apps turned on and I'm ready to start my day. It's a little after 8 o'clock, about 8:03, and I've already accepted my first order on Spark. So I'm headed to Walmart. It's for $21.42, going 5.9 miles. Just one order. So I'm thinking it should be pretty easy, pretty quick. I think it's been sitting out there a little while. I'm about 3.5 miles from the store, and it's going to take me about 6 minutes to get over there. So let's go grab it. Alright, I have that Spark order on board. There's 25 items, and I'm about 5.7 miles from the drop-off. It's going to take me 16 minutes to get over there. They were pretty quick on getting it out. It took them maybe 3 minutes. I sent the customer a message that I'm on my way already. I like to give them a little bit of a heads up so they can be on the lookout for me. So as I turned around after dropping off the groceries, I think the owner was standing behind me, and I didn't even know it. He like scared the living daylights out of me. I about dropped my phone. Just doing some yard work, but I did not know he was there. My next order's on Doordash, picking up from Hy-Vee Grocery. It's 2 orders going 6.2 miles, and I forgot to get a screenshot of it. So I'm on my way to pick that up right now. I'm 1.8 miles from the store, and it's going to take me about 4 minutes to get there. So let's go get them on board. Morning, how are you?
Good.
I've got 2, Donna B and Robert LK. Alright, so he came back out and told me that these orders weren't ready, and that they're short-staffed today and didn't have a time frame for me. So what I'll do is I'll wait here for now, but if I get something else to do in the meantime, I'll go do that and then come back and, you know, check with them, because he has no idea how long it's going to take. So I'll just keep you posted. Alright guys, I waited quite a while on those Hy-Vee orders. I mean, I waited like 45 minutes or more for them, but I got sick of waiting, so I went ahead and unassigned them both. My next order's on Grubhub, picking up from McDonald's. It's for $7.37 for 2.2 miles, so it should be a pretty quick pickup and a pretty quick drop-off. They're usually fairly quick. I might have maybe a 3 to 5 minute wait. $3,600.
36, Susu?
Yep, thank you. I am 0.7 miles away from the drop-off, and it's going to take me about 3 minutes to get over there. So pretty quick order. So let's go get this dropped off. Okay guys, I didn't get the drop-off for that McDonald's because my camera was doing something really weird. So sorry about that. Next order is going to be on Doordash, picking up from the Kolache factory. I didn't get an actual screenshot of the offer. It's for $20.25, and it was going 12.8 miles, somewhere around in there. So it's going to downtown Kansas City, Missouri. There were 10 items on it, if I remember correctly. So this could go up. I don't know that it will for sure. If it's just a regular order, it's probably going to stay the same. But I'm okay with that because it's 20 bucks. And after waiting on those Hy-Vee orders and not getting anything, I just need to get something in my pocket right now. Alright, so I have that order on board. That was a heavy box. This is not a catering order, so I don't expect this to go up much, if any. maybe $1, maybe $2, something like that. I'll be surprised. It's a little after 10 in the morning. It hasn't been extremely busy this morning, so it'll be a nice little drive downtown and back. I'm 10.5 miles from the drop-off, and it's going to take me about 19 minutes to get down there. So this will probably be the only order I get done in the 10 o'clock hour, but that's okay. $20 isn't a horrible amount to make. But I only made $7.37 in my 9 o'clock hour because of the Hy-Vee grocery situation. Like I said, I'm just trying to get some money in my pocket. So let's go get this thing delivered. Alright guys, got that dropped off. The order did have a hidden tip on it. It went up to $21.81, so you know, about $1 or something. So kind of like what I thought it would be. So my next order's on Uber Eats, and it's a stacked order. I wasn't able to get a screenshot of it because I was trying to find the building for this place here. It was for $13 and some change, and it was like 19 miles. It's actually taking me back down to the area that I drive in normally. So I'm picking up from China Feast first. China Feast is usually pretty fast. Hi. Do you need the number or the name?
Name please.
Christopher K.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a good one. And then I'm picking up from Anchor Island Coffee. I don't know what to expect there. Emily W. and Uber Eats. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you. Alright guys, the first drop off is 8.2 miles away, and it's going to take me about 16 minutes to get over there, so let's go get her done. Hi, are you Emily?
I am not, but I can take it to her.
Okay, that's perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Alright, so my next drop off for this Uber Eats is 6.4 miles away and going to take me about 8 minutes to get over there. My next order is on Uber Eats. It's a stacked order. The first order is picking up from Zarda Barbecue. Zarda's is usually pretty quick. I might have to wait 5 to 7 minutes, but with Uber Eats it might be different. That's usually with Doordash and Grubhub. I don't know that I've ever picked up an Uber Eats from Zarda before.
You here for a pickup?
Yeah, Lauren B. Okay.
Anything else?
No, I think that's good. Thank you.
There you go.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. That took them about 10 to 12 minutes to get out to me, so they were pretty busy though, so understandable. Now I'm on my way to my second pickup for the Uber Eats order, and it's 1.3 miles away in just 3 minutes. And then the other one is picking up from Subway. It was for $19.79 going 8.5 miles. Alright, so I got that Subway on board, and it's my first drop off, and it's only 0.3 miles and gonna take like a minute to get there, so looks like it's just up the street. Let's go get it off. My next drop off is 5.9 miles away and gonna take about 9 minutes. So let's get moving. My next order is on Doordash, picking up from Chipotle for $6.50, going 2.8 miles. Looks like there's 3 items. I don't expect this to go up, but if it does, it'll be probably $1 or less. Doordash just sent me an add-on for $5. It was going an extra 0.7 miles, so I figured why not. I don't usually like to take anything less than 6, but I'm kind of running behind today, so every little bit will help. Alright, I have those both on board. I had to go back in there a second time because I forgot I had 2 orders on me picking up from Chipotle. So I do have them both on board now. And the first drop off is going to be 1.8 miles away and should take me about 4 minutes. So I don't mind add-ons as much as I do stacked orders from DoorDash, because when you get an add-on, you're only losing 50 cents instead of $1. When they do a stacked order, they take off 50 cents from each order. So it just irks me that they take that much away from the driver when nothing on their end changes at all. So why are they taking more? Anyway, it's just a pet peeve of mine, and that's one of the reasons why I don't like taking stacked orders a lot of times. I guess it's just the principle of the thing, you know? When I worked for Papa John's and they gave me more than one order, they didn't take 50 cents off of each order for me to go deliver the order. So it's the same concept. I just don't get why DoorDash thinks they're entitled to $1 more of the pay that we should be getting. So anyway, just ranting. All right, next drop off is 1.2 miles away and gonna take like 3 minutes. So as soon as I get this one dropped off, I have my next order lined up, and it's gonna be a stacked order on UberEats. One order is picking up from Jersey Mike's and the other one's picking up from La Fuente Mexican restaurant. So they're right next to each other, so it shouldn't take me long to pick both of them up as long as they're ready. Let's go get this last DoorDash off. Alright, I'm on my way to pick up the Jersey Mike's, and then I'll just run next door and get the La Fuente. I'm 1.8 miles away from the restaurant right now, and should take me about 4 minutes to get over there. So let's go get them on board. Got both of them on board. The first drop off is going to be the La Fuente, and it's 2.3 miles away and 6 minutes. So let's go get this thing off. The next drop off is 2.5 miles away and gonna take about 6 minutes to get it off. So let's go do it. Alright guys, I have my next order already. It's on DoorDash, and it's picking up from Lenny's Grill and Subs. It's for $6.50, and it was going like 2.7 miles if I remember correctly. I didn't get a screenshot of the offer, but I'm only 1.7 miles away from the restaurant, and it's going to take me like 4 minutes to get there. So let's go get this on board. Alright, so that last Uber Eats stacked order that I had was originally $19.79. It went up to $21.79, so it increased by a couple dollars, so I'll take it. Alright, I'm 1.2 miles away from the drop-off. Should take me about 3 minutes to get there. Alright guys, I am done recording for the day. I took you along with me from 8 o'clock and it's almost 2 o'clock right now. Just doing 6 hours with you today for a ride along. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content just like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. And be sure to turn on those notifications so you know when my next video comes out. So you guys all stay safe out there and I'll see you in the next video. And if you want to see more content just like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. And oh, yeah. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Thanks. And be sure to turn on those notifications so you know when my next video comes out.